the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed, now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh, hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration, don't need no validation. No more medication, just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me, feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
Them toolboxes they put underneath that trailer right there. That's a good idea. Well, just a boring foam load. Nothing crazy, huh, Mac? You stay over here with Mackie, fat butts.
Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. I can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. To numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say.
All right.
Now. I just need
There
to
you have it. Yeah, they're pretty boring, huh? You don't need a smoke tarp or anything unless it's over 400 miles. And this is like 360 miles. So the broker said no tarp. We've lost so many of these corners when this toolbox messed up and this door would fall open because this corner got busted open. We lost a bunch of our white felts. We're down to 16 of these and we used to have like 50 of them. So I need to get a load back to that place that had these and snag me a couple more. I don't even remember where it was. Maybe, I think it was Oklahoma. I think it was Oklahoma where we got those from. Those corner protectors. Yeah. All right, well, Lita's gonna strap these tarps back down. I'm gonna run and grab some paperwork and we're gonna get out of here. Are you ready, Mac? All right, well, we made it to a Florida rest area. Just got done running the dogs. We ended up getting the very last spot. Look, there's the guy over there that loaded with us. I imagine he's going to the same spot, I believe. But we ended up taking the wrong road because Florida's got some construction going on. I believe it's around the 301. I believe it's around the 301, and they kind of rerouted the roads, and they don't make it, they don't really show that it's the way you're supposed to go. So me and him ended up taking it wrong. I think we had to go to 301, 285 maybe, that put us back. I don't know. It ended up being a freaking nightmare. Added like 14 miles, which isn't a big deal, but it just kind of sucks that, like, I wonder how many people actually missed that exit. So anyway, oh my gosh, these mosquitoes are crazy, guys. We'll be dropping this first thing in the morning, and then we're gonna meet Roberto in Orlando at the auction, and probably bring you guys along, show you guys the trucks that I'm gonna have a mechanic look at, and if the mechanic thinks that they're in good shape, then the ones that we'll be bidding on. So let me finish walking these dogs, and we'll see you guys in a bit.
No problem. That's really what these are great for. I mean, yeah, the politics of it are bullshit. I hate it. I hate all the things that come with the electric vehicle world. I hate it so much. But in all actuality, you know, they're incredible. It's just like RC cars. I've always loved electric. I never really was a nitro guy. Just too much work, too much pain in the ass. And the electric stuff just works, bombs, and has a good time. Very, very similar attitude.
You're a
Right
shithead.
here, it's a
Alright, we made it to Tampa. Something tells me they were open before 8. So I'm pretty sure that hot shotter got up this morning and left out before us and's already got here and unloaded. So we'll get this unstrapped. They probably just drive it on up into that hole there. Alright, almost there. Had a little mishap up here on the trailer already. Can't have nothing nice. Alright, we're almost unloaded. One more stack on my side. And we're headed to Orlando to look at some trucks. Huh? I told Ada, don't get excited and fall in love with a truck. Come home with something that's a surprise. It's kind of like going to Thailand, going to get a massage, fall in love with a girl, bringing her home, bam, wiener. Right?
I guess.
Yeah, that's pretty much the same. You gotta check them over real good before you take them home, you know?
Do you need to punch the address for Ricci Brothers in?
You think it's still in here? I bet you it's still in here.
I don't know.
We haven't done that many loads since that. Let's see. Rome, New York, Valdosta, Cairo, Petro. Alabaster, Alabama. Why is that in there? North Bend, Ohio. I guess we need to punch it in. Look, he's got a window unit sticking out of his window. That's crazy, dude. That's funny. a spot over there with the cars?
Yeah. I told him we were in a semi truck. And I was like, he's like, find a spot over there somewhere to park. Trucks are all over there. We gotta put PPE on.
Bro, there's nowhere to park over there.
I know. They park over there.
Yeah, they're like over there along the gate. I'm like, bro, there's cars everywhere.
That's I was looking when I was walking back here. Because I didn't see a place to park.
He's like over there by the stop sign. Pull along the gate. I'm like, bro, there's cars everywhere. There's cars everywhere. Unless I just back down the middle of this. I'd like to find one with a deep view
This is a Freightliner.
Which one's this?
This is a Freightliner.
Yeah, this is the first one you
That's
sent me.
the 911. Yeah. I want to see what kind of room they have in them too.
Oh, they're spacious.
Are they?
Yeah. They got the table and double bed. You can put the bed down on the table. So you can sit and have breakfast or whatever. And not be stuck on a bed.
Yeah.
Sitting on a bed to eat.
I don't know. Does this one have the table? Yeah, I guess it does.
Yeah, just lift the bed up.
Is it this handle
Yep,
here?
yep. No, that's the table. There should be another handle.
It's like locked.
Yeah, it's probably that one. Try that one. That handle. See if that one will open.
That's moving the table.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. It's
Got
that
it.
handle right there.
And then you can put your seat up and you don't have to be stuck on top of the bed to eat breakfast or whatever.
Yeah, but we always have our dogs,
Yeah.
so they would always be on the bed. I don't know. It feels like there's more room because ours comes over here,
Uh-huh.
but then we have all our clothes and all our bags up there too.
Yep.
You know?
And yours, both of you can't stand up in the same place. 'Cause
No.
there's not enough
Yeah, because
space
it has.
up there.
You have to be standing back here.
That's the only other good thing about the automatics. I got all this space right here without
Yeah.
stick. And then these chairs, I think they flip,
Spin around.
they spin around. It has less storage space.
Yeah.
The bed's bigger, I think. Look how much room it has. Look, it's even got a gap there and here.
Yeah, it's wider.
So I wonder how that APU starts, because this, what the hell that just did? Maybe this? Idle management system?
I think I just heard it kick on. Something's running now.
Auto check filter. It says service on it though. Sounds like it's knocking, don't it?
Yeah. Ooh.
It's missing the bed. It's supposed to have a bed up here. You can see the shelves.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not really digging this one. I don't
Kind of
think
small.
it doesn't even have the table. Alright, so this is a 2016 with 440 on it. Let's see what motor it has. Brand new steers. I think it has the DD15. Oh my god, it logged me out again, dude. They gotta work on this app, dude. Keep me signed in. Little bitty fuel tanks.
This one over here has 500,000 in the APU.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
these little bitty fuel tanks.
That one you'll be stopping.
That's not good.
Crazy. That one it has 2 beds, red roof, and it has APU 500,000.
Oh yeah. What year model is that?
I don't know. I think it's,
They got the fairing box. This looks like a flatbed truck. Yeah, look, they have one of these. Makes it easier to hook up trailers.
It looks like it didn't have any frames before. 'Cause
Yeah.
The hose. That's probably a local truck with a fuel tank.
Yeah, I wonder if it'd be worth. Yeah, this might be a potential one here. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but like I always say, I'm pretty enough. It offsets most things.
Oh, it's big back there.
Let me see if it'll start. Low air.
Oh! It has the Detroit shape.
Oh, is that what that? It's still going wow, wow, while I'm revving it.
That's the only part why I don't like the Detroit stuff. The valve with the fuel. When it goes bad, it doesn't.
14,000 hours, 440,000 miles. Service overdue by 122,000 miles. Set up low outside temp warning. Reset ICU perimeters. maybe a mid-roof isn't the thing for us. With all our dogs and stuff. I don't know what the hell that is. Is this the fridge? No.
Closet.
No fridge.
Yeah, that area is
Tiny.
little. You would not be able to sit where you usually sit.
You can't even sit up to get out of bed. You have to roll off.
Yeah.
At least it has battery.
Don't mean it'll start. Oh, I wonder if they have waters they'll give us.
Probably.
I didn't do that. Did it do it by itself?
Yeah. Oh no, it's that truck.
Oh, okay.
I was like, what the?
Something's wrong. I feel like it's taller than my Mackie.
It is. I think it's probably a little bit taller than the Mac. 'Cause you
I know my floor steps up here.
Yeah.
You can sit up on the top there.
Yeah.
It's so hard to tell, like.
See, when you have a heavy load on and you're gonna back up and you like jackknife to back in and you just feathering feathering it to go back. There's start showing over here. It still has the company camera on it.
Hello! Look at my wiener! Woo!
They have it covered.
Oh, yeah. Busted windshield.
Oh, there it is.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You have to.
You have to play with it?
To play with
I'm
it.
used to playing with it. Well, that might just be because low air. Oh no, that's the window.
These are better than the regular. They take the tires off and put old ones. They sell the tires.
I mean, I guess I don't blame them.
It's a bad bitch in here.
It's nice, huh?
Battery's dead.
Oh shit. Of course it is.
Yep. Battery's dead. Yeah, this is fucking nice in
A
here.
little bit different than the older ones.
Fucking, it's nice in here, bro. Seats, you can tell the seats are a better quality.
Yeah, these are the ones that they lay down. So you when you come in and you sit on, they come up to the height that you have automatically.
I think I definitely like the T680s the best.
Better, right, than the Freightliner.
Yeah. They just feel better put together. You know?
The combination of all the cabinets and stuff.
Just the Cascadias just feel cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's funny. Here's all the
FedEx trucks, yeah. Pieces of junk.
Too dark in here?
I feel like that blue Kenworth is bigger than this. Don't you think? Like back here? I feel like it
it's
is.
the same.
I don't know.
Let's see what motors are.
Damn.
Look, they took the cabinets out of this bitch. Bro.
It's dirty.
Yeah, somebody did not take care of this. This is a company driver truck, man. That's a shame, man. 2020 looks terrible. Look, there's JB Weld up here. Ooh, I hate these fucking shifters like this. That's goofy. Look, the screen's still up. That screen shouldn't be showing that though, right?
Yeah, when you open the door, it goes on. We have a few vehicles that don't have any batteries. They don't start.
Alright, we are back at the truck. So basically a lot of the trucks that we wanted to look at weren't there. I would say 75% of the trucks wouldn't start. We pretty much sat around, it's 3:15 now. When did we get here? 10 o'clock? We sat around waiting on somebody to come jump the batteries forever. And then he gets an attitude, like we have him jump off one of my trucks that I want to look at, and then we have him jump off of one of Roberto's trucks that you want to look at, and we're like, okay, we got a few more. He's like, oh, I can't spend all day long just jumping trucks off for you. And Roberto told him, he's like, yo, we've been standing around for 4 hours waiting on you, and this is your job. So he jumped off one or two more, and then just drove off, didn't even say anything. When I still had a couple more trucks to look at. So pretty much what I'm figuring out is I really like the T680s. And there's one Cascadia there that looks good. But I'm leaning more towards the T680s. But I'm wondering, like, is it a sign? Just the way they treat you here is ridiculous. We talked to so many people who were like, hey, we need some trucks jumped off. Okay, we'll send somebody right over. And we'd wait an hour and nobody'd show up. And then we'd go find somebody else. Hey, we need something jumped off. Oh, okay, we'll send somebody over. And then Roberto actually found a little cart with jumper cables and batteries, pulled it over to this black Cascadia that we were looking at, jumped it off, and somebody noticed it and ran over there and took the thing away from us and was like, oh no, you can't use that, and then went and parked it away. And there's like people just standing around not doing anything. And they're like, oh, you know, we still have to get these trucks ready. And Roberto's like, you have 4 more days until the auction. What are you guys doing? I don't know. What do you think, Bebs? Seemed like all the trucks that we liked were black.
Yeah. All the trucks that didn't like smell like
Man, there's some nasty trucks here.
Or had a knock.
There's a really nice blue 2020 T680. It was one of the last trucks I was gonna have them jump off because it was parked over in another lot. And the dude just has an attitude.
It's his last day.
Oh yeah, he did say today's his last day. Look at this big old bastard coming in. That wheel hit that speed bump going over it. Look how low that thing sits.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Bro, could you imagine hitting a pothole with that thing?
Wow.
Like, who's gonna buy that? I mean, I guess there's a ass for every seat. I don't know. 3 o'clock now, how long does it take for us to get home? It's gonna be a while.
Yeah.
I don't know, I gotta go home. Basically, if we don't get anything from this, if everything, I mean, I was hoping to be able to bid online with everything, but it looks like we might have to come back day of. That way they have everything running. I mean, one of the trucks that I had picked out, we finally got it jump started, and we pulled the oil cap off of it, and it's milky. Where's this guy going, bro? Let's do this. So that's a big no. And it only had 400, almost 500,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
And it had the Cummins, and it was like, that oil was milky.
It smelled like.
So there was definitely a problem with it. It smelled like what?
Just like that, like antifreeze smell.
Oh yeah. I mean, we noticed that the coolant reservoir was down, but wasn't sure why. And now we know why. So
A lot of those smell like that.
I don't know. I got sunburned. I am fried. So I guess if we want to look at any of these trucks, we're gonna have to come back day of auction.
Yeah. I mean, we were planning to do that though.
Well, I kind of was, and then he's like, "Oh no, you can just bid on all this online. There's some more T680s over here.
Yeah.
Look at them all lined up. Bunch of Volvos, a bunch of Freightliners. I really like the T680s though. I don't know. All right, I guess we'll see you later.